Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Candace, and if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. I know y'all, well, it's kind of 50-50. Some people have been asking for more entrepreneurial content, more kind of chit-chatty videos, but a lot of you have been asking for natural hair content, and I can't lie to y'all, I have not been feeling my hair at all. I have completely transitioned over to a lazy natural. I barely do my hair. I barely even wash my hair, and I hope y'all don't judge me. I hope this is a safe space to, you know, express and be authentic and vulnerable, but I haven't been with it, period, at all. Hence all the protective styles that I've been getting, the butterfly locks and then the short passion twist, and I'm probably going to be getting like some box braids or something like that soon. But in the meantime, I've just been doing my regular lazy natural routine for my puffs. She's still cute now. She's not lacking in the look department at all. But every style that I've been doing is very much on the go. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my hair to get a nice looking puff without having to rewash my hair, wait for it to air dry for 6 to 8 hours. So this is something that's going to be very quick. If you have something to do in the same day and you just want to look presentable, this is something that you can do to get a nice, fresh looking, very defined, fresh looking puff. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, no judgment. We all have been here. I am busy working on other things that I'm so excited for you guys to see soon, and my hair just hasn't been a priority. So I just want to show you guys what I've been doing. If you're interested, then stay tuned. Okay, so I've already did this back section of my hair, and don't worry, I know it don't look like nothing yet, but it's all gonna come together, I promise. So the first thing that I do is take a huge section, like huge, like big section, because I don't even, when I'm in a rush and I'm just trying to do something quick, I don't have time for small sections, and this is supposed to be something that's really super quick. And once you have your section, you want to spray just the ends of your hair. It's okay if you get a little bit of mist on the top part, but you really don't want to get that part wet, because that is what takes your hair the longest to dry, is in the root. So you really just want to focus on getting the ends a little bit damp. It's going to differ for everybody's hair how much water you need in order for your hair to kind of like revert back. So whatever amount of water that is for you, use that amount. And then I take a very, like, I literally just have like the tip of my fingernail with some curl enhancing smoothie. This is one of my favorite products from when I do my wash and go. So I'm just using my regular products and add that to the end of your hair just to kind of like add some moisture. As you see, my hair is dry as all get out. Add that. Add gel of your choice. I'm using the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel, and just add that to the end of my hair. If you already have products in your hair, just adding the water will like reactivate those products, so you probably won't have to add that much. But when I did this wash and go, I used a foam, so I didn't even use a gel, so it's a little bit different. But I just go in with my Denman brush to just get those ends to curl. And this might need a little bit more water because it's a little stiff. She's a little stiff, so add more water and just curl the ends. Only focus on the ends, because that is what matters when you're putting your hair up. I promise you won't see all of this other foolishness when my hair goes up, but this is what my curls are looking like. And you just continue to do that for the rest of your hair, only focusing on your ends, leaving your roots alone, so you do not have to worry about long dry times and waiting for your hair to dry in order for you to put it up. god. Alright y'all, so I'm done. As you can see, I look crazy, but just give it about 30-45 minutes, do your makeup, get ready while your hair is drying. You can even use a diffuser if you want to. I personally don't use diffusers when my hair is soaking wet. That's why I always air dry, and it takes me hours on hours on hours. But with this, you can use a diffuser because it's not, you're not worried about your roots getting frizzy. For me, when I use a diffuser, my roots get very, very frizzy. But this, it doesn't matter. So even if it's taking a little bit longer, you can just put a blow dryer to it and you'll be good. I'm gonna come back and show you guys exactly how I do my puff and what the end result is, so keep watching. All right y'all, so I'm back ready to do my puff. First thing that I do is use some sort of butter or oil just to kind of like soften up the hair, even though it's not super crunchy because I didn't use a lot of gel and I already had other products on my hair. I still, you know, just going with some butter. I'm using the Jane Carter solution restorative butter, and just putting a little bit of that on my fingers and just kind of like making sure there's no crunchiness. Now I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb. This is my favorite comb to pick my hair out with, and I'm just going to fluff my hair even more at the root to kind of get my hair to stand up. It's falling down, so I'm just gonna get it to stand up. And you probably don't need to do this a lot because you did not smooth your roots, so they're already nice and fluffy and volumized. But I like my puffs to be really, really like big and voluminous. Now once my hair is nice and picked out, I'm gonna go in and just kind of separate some of the hairs. When I use the dimming brush, a lot of the curls like clump together. So I just like kind of separate them so I can have a more full puff. Now you want to go on with your gel of choice. I use the Eco Styler olive oil gel for my edges, and you know, do whatever works best for you, girl. I don't even really use like water, just because when you use water, it softens up the hair so much that it may fall flat, and I do not want my puff to fall flat. So I just go in only with the gel for the edges, and then of course the kitchen. Then I smooth it with the brush in the direction that I want my puff to go in, if I want it to be more up or if I want it to be more back, whatever the case may be. Now for my puff, I use a Goody headband and one bobby pin. I always try to explain to people how I do my puffs, and I don't know if they really actually understand. They act like they do, but it's kind of hard to explain, but I'm gonna try my best to show you guys. So I just wrap the headband around my neck twice, so it is tight like this 2 times, and then turn this way. I lift it up to like just right before my hair starts, and then I lift up my hair in the back, and then I pull one section and let the other one go, and then I start to slide the headband back, and then I start to slide it up in the back. And once I get a little bit of give in this band back here, I start to twist it to where I'm holding it with both hands and pulling at it to tighten at the same time as pushing up. I hope you guys understand, but as you see, as I'm going up, I'm getting more of a grip on this piece, and I'm just continuing to like motion it in the way that I want my puff to go. And just in the direction. And then once my hair is where I want it to be, I take the band, put it with the rest of the headband, and use a bobby pin to secure it to make sure that it is tight. Whew, I hope you guys got all of that. But that is it for my, like, do y'all see what I'm talking, like, do y'all see what I'm talking about? And this can be achieved in so quick, and it just looks like you have a fresh wash and go that you put up into a puff without all of the flatness. It has all of the volume on the first time that you do it. And this is my favorite thing to do as a currently lazy natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But wait, I'm not done. Obviously you got to do the edges, so I'm just gonna use the same edge control, use the same Eco Styler gel and just do a little bit of edges, nothing crazy. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope I taught you something. This for me was a game changer, knowing that if I look a hot mess earlier in the day, I can show up looking like a little bit of something to wherever it is I have to go. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. I post weekly, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.